Hello everybody, I'm Leo,
I'm Lily.
and we are the Traveling Lovebirds.
And we are in Dollywood. Can you believe that? Dollywood, Tennessee, Pigeon Forge. It is so nice and it's decorated. She goes all out for Halloween, as you can see in some of these photos, and I'm going to show you a lot more.
What a day, and this is the place to be.
And we love it. Thanks so much for coming along on this memory, and I hope you enjoy this vlog that we're doing for you guys. Thank you so much for coming along.
So they got the full leaves now. Oh, this is nice. The last time we were here, they had the umbrellas. Look at these pumpkin, look at the pumpkin tree. Wow, this one was donated 455 pounds. That one's 604 pounds. That one came from New York.
This one too.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. You want to talk about big pumpkins? Wow. Jesus, look at all these. Look at the sizes of these pumpkins. Look at this, is a little baby one, 390 pounds. At nighttime, because it's all these pumpkins light up. I don't think these do, but these kitchen butterflies, look at that. He's just hanging around. Ready for Christmas. Look at those beautiful wreaths. Christmas stuff out. We didn't even get to Halloween yet. And it's not even Thanksgiving. They got Christmas wreaths. What do you think of that?
Crazy.
Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving. We're gonna go hop on a train. Board the Dollywood Express.
Yes, we are. Can't wait to see it. We're gonna take a little ride around the park before the pumpkins all start lighting up.
Yeah, and if we don't get rained out.
I know.
No, we should be good. This is gonna
It
be
says
good.
light rain, so if it's like this, I'm good.
Pickled pig feet, they're good. About 5, 6, about 7 years ago, I brought a package of pickled pig lips from one of them country stores back there and brought it up here to the Walmart. They thought that was the funniest thing in the world. They took them everywhere. I dreamed away and eat the pig lips. Your mama can't whoop you because you ain't gonna back talk her, because the more you chew, the bigger they get.
That's a Dollywood Express conductor.
Worked here in the summer.
What were their names?
Rain dance. They done the sneaky leg. They done something like.
Folks, if everybody really take a step back away from the chains, give our depot agents a little bit of room to work. Please don't assist them in lowering the chains. They will lower them.
There we go. There you go.
Run, Rain, run!
Does on the train to keep it that way. So as we roll out of town on the count of 3, let's give these folks a great big southern howdy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now coming up on your right here is going to be Dollywood's old-fashioned grist mill. It's one of the last operating grist mills left around today. That's the home of that world-famous cinnamon bread. though he's not watching where he's going. Now, Klondike Katie has remained with us through the years and the entire evolution of the park. From Rebel Railroad, Gold Rush Junction, to Silver Dollar City, Tennessee, and on to the present day Dollywood.
Last time we were here, they were building that in April. They weren't done yet. It's rolling down those tracks right now.
Coming back to the main crossing, everybody. I'm in the big how to big on the way out of town. Well, let's do it again. Now, if you get a little warm today, this ride over here on the right will cool you off quick. That's the River Rampage. You'll get soaked from head to toe. Train shop. Let's shop along with our engine crew. It's capable of completely rebuilding an engine.
Okay, we didn't come down this way yet. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Wow. These little pumpkins light up. Look at, they're already lit. These carved pumpkins, they all carved these owls. Have to come and visit Jeff at Craftsman Leather. He makes a lot of good stuff. That's only some of his work. We found a hidden mouse. is mining bags. So you pick your bag, and then you can get pay dirt, lucky strike, emerald stripe, mother lode. So you can have a chance of getting any one of those. That's the mega. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, he got the mother
He
load.
cheated. I want my money back.
Oh, look at that. Well, you said you weren't sharing.
No, we're sharing.
Not anymore, right? That's a nice one.
You can take some. Give me the bag.
Gold.
What do you mean? Yeah.
You can find any of these in there. And I think they did. Look at this.
Oh, I got another
Oh,
shark.
they are
I got
mining.
a lot of sharks. I got a whole shark
Look
mouth.
at this. This is nice. Leo, that one's really nice.
I have a bunch. I'm gonna crack this one open.
That's a diamond right there. A diamond lot. Wow, that was a lot of fun. You didn't know what you were going to find. Look at those shark teeth. Well, you can't come to Dollywood without seeing Harmony of the Hearts. And especially if her niece is in it. Yep, Dolly Parton's niece. She's in here and she's singing up a storm. Very nice. Boy, what a voice. She's got something from Dolly, and that's her voice. Yep, we met Papa Smurf. There he is. We had to take a picture with him. We're going to end the night at Granny Ogle's. We're going to have a nice dinner at Granny Ogle's. Ham and beans. Let's see what she has cooking in the kitchen. I think we're back here. Oh, we are outside. Everything's outside, I guess. Very nice. Wow, this is a good home cooked menu.
Granny Ogle, a lifelong resident of Sevier County, was the mother of 9 children: Lois, Wayne, Lucille, Ted, Rex, Benny, Judy, Roger, and Joanne. Granny's granddaughter Judy served as Dolly's personal assistant and has been her lifelong friend. Both Judy and I always went to Granny Ogle's anytime we were home because of her beans and cornbread, said Dolly.
Beans and cornbread.
Beans.
I tried Granny's meatloaf. I heard it was the best in town, so I said I had to try it. It's meatloaf with string beans, the mashed potatoes, a scoop of mashed potatoes is right on top, meatloaf, then the string beans, and then a piece of bread. It was delicious, and gravy smothered with gravy. It was so good. Marie had gotten a chicken pot pie. Oh my God, it was so good. She says it was very, very good. It had the biscuits on the top, and it wasn't smothered with pie crust, you know. It was really good. It was like a stew almost. It was very good. I had a little taste of it too. Well, that's going to do it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed creating this memory. Well, we're going to say goodbye. And until the next memory, we love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and ring that notification bell so you can be notified for our next memory. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. See you in the next memory. You could even share this video if you like.
What a day.